house is flooding. It's not outside of it is. My bed. It's tall. Do you see the road? All of that's water. None of it's actually road. It's all water. Promise you. Right now. It's all water. Oh. Here, I'll prove to you. Open my window. If I... No. Forget it. I'll just open the top of it. So you can hear it. And you can probably also see it a little bit. I would go out there, but I'm not going to. You can kind of see it. It's raining really hard. So, my whole road has flooded now. It's more flooded down there. Yeah, like right all there. That's all water. Ours isn't that good. Oh honey, that's bad. I'm gonna close the window real quick. But now I can probably open the door. Nope, I can't. First sustainable I see I'm using. Alright. That's what's going outside right now, and I know you can't see my eyes. I'm filming a YouTube video, do not. Oh, you're being creepy. Daddy, look. Yeah, let me out. Daddy, why are you making that face? Oh gosh, it's dark. Look at outside. Look over there. It's all flooded. I want to go out there and stand and see how deep that water is.
Oh, that's bullshit. You ain't going out there. It's pouring rain.
Fine. Yeah.